Sa MediaCon ng latest film ni Nora Honor na Mananambal ay natanong si Bianca Umali tungkol sa issue ng billing nila ni Ate Guy. Ang tanong ng reporter ay di umano nais ng kampo ni Bianca na maging kasing laki ang pangalan niya ng pangalan ni Nora. Nagulat si Bianca sa tanong at tahasan niyang pinabulaanan ito. Ayon sa kanya, walang pangyayaring ganun at wala siyang alam sa issue tungkol sa billing nila ng superstar. Para sa kanya, sapat na ang makasama sa pelikula ang national artist at inihalin tulad niya ang oportunidad na ito na isang masterclass na kung saan marami siyang matututuhan bilang aktres. Narito ang sinabi ni Bianca.
Yung laki, pero hindi naman daw totoong pinapapantay kay Mama Guy. Is this true? Si Direk muna pasagutin mo, Direk.
May I please speak first?
Yeah, sige, yeah.
I am shocked by the question, but I would like to handle it as professional as possible.
Yes.
I believe po that the question is inappropriate for the event, and also hindi ko po alam kung ano mararamdaman ko because that is, I do not have any idea about that, and I'm worried about how people in this room might take it, hearing it from a representative from the press.
Yeah, oo, pero what I'm after is maging malinaw. Kasi kanina, nilinaw din ni Tracy, kasi nung Monday, may kumakalat ng ganyan issue. So, sabi nga, tanongin daw si Direk. Tapos kanina, tinanong ko si Tracy. Sabi ni Tracy mismo, that's not true, hindi namin pinapapantay. Yes, we requested na medyo lakihan. Oo na, yun nga. So, medyo nilakihan nga siya.
Okay. Apologies. Pasensya na po. No, I would just like to clarify also that the opportunity to work with the superstar, with our national artist, is already a blessing. And it is an opportunity that I already knew na hindi ko po palalagpasin. Being with her on set was a masterclass for me and was a dream I never thought I would achieve this early in my career. Kaya po, yung makasama si Miss Nora, that's already enough.
Yes.
Ako po bilang isang aktor, and the love that I have for my craft, and the respect that I have for myself and the industry, billing is not really, it's a bonus. It is something, I don't know, between internally, but ito pong question is something that I am not aware about. And bonus na lang po yun eh. It is a recognition as to how people see and respect the way I do my work. Pero dito po sa pelikulang ito na Mananambal, napakatagal na panahon ko pong hinintay ito na maipalabas dahil pinaghirapan po namin lahat ito. At marami pong pinagdaanan ng pelikulang ito. At yung maipalabas po ito at makita, lalo po na ito po ang pagbabalik pelikula ni Miss Nora Honor is all that matters. Maraming salamat.
Yeah,
Maraming salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.